Okay, what are you going to do with it? Oh, there it goes. Now it's gone.
Bye. Bye.
Bye what?
Bye, Snow.
Bye, Snow. You taking some more off? Hey, you're good at that sign, Josh. Are you gonna take more snow off? Here, over here. There's more snow right there. Good job.
Be careful. Too much snow is going to land on you again.
Uh-oh.
That's okay.
Are you all done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
No. Tide.
What?
Tide. Tide.
What's he saying?
Tide. Tide.
Slide?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Uh-uh.
You're doing so good.
Look how deep that is, and you get right through it, huh?
You have to kick it. What, Daddy?
Hey, Teddy's coming. I'm just watching you.
Daddy.
I like your little path that you made.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
Tide.
Slide?
Yeah.
Hey, look, you're the first person to go through the snow.
Yeah.
See? There's no footprint.
Isn't that cool?
Tide.
What's that?
Slide.
Tide.
Oh.
Tide. Tide.
What do you say?
Pee. Pee.
Okay, grab Daddy's hand.
Up. Tide. Tide. Tide.
Slide?
Yeah. Pee.
Okay, we'll try to go over there, okay? What do you say?